For years, people have asked the same question. Will robots take our jobs? But what if that is the wrong question? What if the real future is not humans versus machines, but humans working with machines? Imagine a factory where robots do the heavy lifting, AI spots problems before they happen, and people focus on creativity, decision making, and innovation. That future is called Industry 5.0, and it may change the way we work, design, manufacture, and solve problems. In this video, I will explain Industry 5.0 in a simple and practical way. No complicated theory, no unnecessary jargon. We will look at what Industry 5.0 means, how it is different from Industry 4.0, the main technologies behind it, and why it matters for the future of jobs, business, and society. By the end, you should be able to explain Industry 5.0 clearly to someone else. To understand Industry 5.0, we need to quickly look at how industry has changed over time. Industry 1.0 was powered by steam. This was the age of mechanical production. Industry 2.0 introduced electricity and mass production. Factories could produce goods faster, cheaper, and at a much larger scale. Industry 3.0 brought computers, electronics, and automation. Machines could now follow programmed instructions. Then came Industry 4.0. This is the era of smart factories, artificial intelligence, big data, robotics, sensors, cloud systems, and connected devices. Industry 4.0 focused heavily on automation and efficiency. The goal was often to make systems faster, smarter, and more connected. But there was a problem. As technology became more powerful, many people started to worry. If machines can work faster than humans, if AI can analyze data better than humans, and if robots can complete repetitive tasks without getting tired, then where do humans fit in? For many businesses, the question became, how can we automate more? But Industry 5.0 asks a better question. How can technology help people do better work? That is the key shift. Industry 5.0 does not reject automation. It builds on Industry 4.0, but changes the focus. Instead of putting technology at the center, Industry 5.0 puts people back at the center. Industry 5.0 is the next stage of industrial development, where humans and intelligent machines work together. But it is more than just humans and robots in the same room. Industry 5.0 is about creating industry that is human-centered, sustainable, and resilient. Human-centered means technology should support people, not replace them wherever possible. Sustainable means industry should use resources responsibly and reduce waste. Resilient means businesses should be able to adapt when problems happen, such as supply chain issues, skills shortages, or global disruptions. So, in simple terms, Industry 4.0 was mainly about smart automation. Industry 5.0 is about smart collaboration. It combines human creativity with machine intelligence. The easiest way to understand Industry 5.0 is this. Humans and machines are good at different things. Machines are excellent at speed, accuracy, repetition, calculations, and handling large amounts of data. Humans are excellent at creativity, judgment, empathy, ethics, communication, and solving complex problems. Industry 5.0 brings these strengths together. A robot might lift a heavy object. AI might check for defects. A sensor might collect live data. But a human still makes the final judgment, improves the design, and understands the wider purpose of the work. So the question is no longer, can a machine do this job? The better question is, how can a machine help a person do this job better? So how does Industry 5.0 actually work? There are several technologies that make it possible. First, collaborative robots, often called cobots. Unlike traditional industrial robots that are usually separated from workers for safety, cobots are designed to work near humans. They can support tasks such as lifting, assembling, sorting, or handling dangerous materials. The idea is not to replace the worker, but to reduce risk and improve productivity. Second, artificial intelligence. AI can analyze data, identify patterns, predict problems, and recommend decisions. For example, AI can warn a factory that a machine is likely to fail before it actually breaks. That means people can fix the problem earlier and avoid downtime. Third, the Internet of Things, or IoT. This means machines, tools, vehicles, sensors, and devices are connected and sharing data. A factory can see what is happening in real time, which machines are working, which parts are moving, where delays are happening, and where energy is being wasted. Fourth, augmented reality. With AR, workers can see digital information placed over the real world. Imagine wearing smart glasses while repairing a machine. Instructions, warnings, diagrams, or measurements could appear in front of your eyes while you work. Fifth, digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual version of a real object, machine, or process. Before changing something in real life, a company can test it digitally. This can reduce mistakes, save money, and improve safety. Together, these technologies create a workplace where people are supported by intelligent systems. Let's make this practical. Imagine a company building a custom electric car. In an Industry 4.0 system, the focus might be on automation, how quickly the factory can produce cars, how efficiently robots can assemble parts, and how much data can be collected. In an Industry 5.0 system, those things still matter, but there is also a stronger focus on people, personalization, and purpose. The customer may want a specific interior design. The human designer makes creative choices. AI suggests materials that are lighter, safer, and more sustainable. Robots handle heavy components with precision. Sensors monitor quality in real time. A digital twin tests performance before the car is built. And the human team makes final decisions based on safety, ethics, design, and customer needs. The result is not just faster production, it is smarter, safer, more personalized production. That is Industry 5.0 in action. Industry 5.0 matters because it changes the conversation about the future of work. Instead of treating people as something to remove from the process, it treats people as the most important part of the process. This can lead to safer workplaces because robots can take on dangerous or physically demanding tasks. It can lead to more creative jobs because people can spend less time on repetitive work and more time solving problems. It can lead to more personalized products because technology allows companies to adapt to individual needs. And it can support sustainability because data and intelligent systems can help reduce waste, energy use, and unnecessary production. But there is also a challenge. People will need new skills. The future worker will not only need to understand tools and machines, they will need to understand data, AI, digital systems, communication, problem solving, and ethical decision making. Industry 5.0 will not only affect factories. In healthcare, AI and robotics can support doctors and nurses. In logistics, smart systems can help people manage complex supply chains. In education, technology can support more personalized learning. In engineering, digital twins can help teams test ideas safely before building them. The common theme is the same. Technology should increase human capability, not remove human value. So, what is Industry 5.0? It is the move from automation alone to collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. It is about using technology to support people, create better work, build more sustainable systems, and design industries that can adapt to the future. The future is not humans versus machines. It is humans with machines, and that future has already begun. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you feel comfortable working alongside a robot?